In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Nova to Pump.fun. To get started, open Telegram on your device and search for the official Nova trading bot. Make sure you're selecting the correct official bot before continuing, since this is an important part of keeping your wallet secure. Once you found it, tap Start to begin the setup process. Nova will typically create a dedicated trading wallet for you, which is the wallet you'll use inside the bot for your trading activity. Next, follow the prompts to create or import a wallet. If you're generating a new wallet, you'll be given a recovery phrase. This is one of the most important parts of the setup, so store it somewhere safe and private. Do not share it with anyone, and do not leave it in an unsecured note or chat. Your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet, so treating it carefully is essential. After your wallet is ready, the next step is to fund your Nova wallet. Copy the wallet address provided by Nova, then send SL to that address from your exchange or from another personal wallet. Once you've sent the funds, give it a moment for the transaction to process. You'll want to wait until the SOL balance appears inside the bot before moving on, since the wallet needs to be funded in order to trade. Now open Pump.fun in your browser. On Pump.fun, log in using a supported Solana wallet, such as Phantom or Solflare. It's important to understand that Pump.fun uses standard Solana wallet connections, not a direct Telegram bot connection. So rather than linking Nova to Pump.fun in a traditional one-click way, you'll be using Pump.fun to monitor tokens, while Nova acts as your trading and automation tool. Once that's clear, you can move on to enabling Nova features depending on your plan and settings. These may include fast buy and sell execution, copy trading, auto sell functions, and migration sniping for tokens that move from Pump.fun to decentralized exchanges. These tools are often what make Nova useful for traders who want quicker execution and more automation. When you're ready to trade, find a token on Pump.fun and copy its token address. Then go back to Nova and paste that address into the bot. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the details carefully, and confirm the transaction. As always, double check the token address before submitting anything, because accuracy matters when trading. Once confirmed, Nova will handle the execution through the funded wallet you set up earlier.